Hello guys, this is Khalil Sediqi and welcome to another sci-fi tutorial. In this video you will learn how to create watch hologram like this. So let's start. This is the video I want to show you how to create a VFX or hologram on this watch. First, I need to track the watch. I must go to animation, select the video, go to animation, select track in Boris FX, Mocha. So next, click on Mocha icon or logo and click on Start. So don't click. And now I need to track after clicking on Watch. After this one, select the X is playing and select your tracking target. And next, click here to track. Wait for a few minutes or seconds. You can stop your tracking um, before error or warning. Take a look before clicking on watch. You can stop your tracking by clicking stop here like this. Okay, go to file and save your project and now close. So guys, right click, create a new null object, select your video and go to tracking data, create track data and click transform null object apply. And now you can see your tracking right there. So I need to trim my comp and trim. So guys, right click, create a new another solid and right here light. Enter, go to effects, select video copilot optical flares. Don't forget you can download optical flares from my Patreon account by going to my Patreon account. You can find the link into video description. So there is a lot of After Effects update plugins. So guys, and now select the light, press F4, change the mode to add and select optical flares, set right there, set here. Click on option. You can edit your light. Take a look. You can change the color and turn off the multi-iris and turn off this one, multi-iris, turn off. So select the spike, take a look what is spike, this one, select and change the color. So, and now change spike ball control, let's see, shape orientation and controlling the random spacing. And there is another very important part I need to cut. There's a lot of way to cut. Let's see. Rotate, distance and aspect ratio. And there is amount thickness, length, space random, shape orientation, space random, let's see, scale, expansion, click OK. Select your light and select the masking. Take a look. I need to set my light first. Take a look right there and turn off. Select the masking pen tool and mask like this. Like this. So turn on again and press MMM for masking feather. The light must shine on the face too and right there too. Control like this. So guys, select the light and find the anchor point set right there and parent link to null object. And now you can move the light like this. So after clicking, press or stopwatch, brightness and scale. Change to 0 and 0. And now you can change hundreds, hundreds. Here you can see. So you can add something right there. I need to use Element 3D, adding Element 3D, create a new solid, right, Element 3D, enter, and before continue, save your project, go to Effects, go to Video Copilot, Element 3D. Don't forget guys, you can download Element 3D plugin from my Patreon account. Click on Scene Setup and let's find some model to using here, like watch, and change the environment reflection, this one, click OK. OK. And now here you can see the watch. Don't forget, create a new camera, 28 millimeters, and select element 3D. Go to group 1, particle replicator, set the watch right there. And now you can rotate your watch and you can rotate like this. Don't forget, go to render setting, go to lighting, change to cinema lighting. So you can change your own favorite lighting and reflection like this. Good. So guys, and now move the watch behind of the light. Here you can see. So, and now I need to move the watch a little bit down like this. Take a look. The watch must become from the light. How to do this? Stopwatch, stopwatch, and go to particle look. Stopwatch. Take a look. Change the watch size and move the watch here. Change the size like this and press 1. Take a look. So you can parent link your element 3D to null object, link to the tracking point. And don't forget, you can continue your rotate here. Let's see here slowly rotate like this. Take a look. So if you need to control the watch, take a look, press U. Here is the keyframes. Press plus for the zoom in, zoom out, and make the change the size. It means you can rotate by moving the watch. Take a look. Stopwatch. Again, the rotation. Rotate. Right flick. Make easies. Take a look. Rotate again. When I touch on the watch, I can control the watch like this. Take a look. Go to multi-object, turn on the multi-object, and here you can see the multi-object like this. Take a look. Stopwatch. When I touch the watch, it must become like this and back to 0. Take a look. Good. When I click the watch, take a look, guys. Press U for the lighting stopwatch. Press U for element 3D, for the size stopwatch, for the position stopwatch. Clicking and first change the brightness 0, 0, and change this one to 0. And don't forget, select element 3D, element 3D, move here and change the size like this. Change to 0. So let's see the final result. Don't forget, turn on the motion blur for the element 3D. For the watch, turn on and render again to see the result. Okay, guys, this was your final result of this video. Thanks for watching. Have a good time. Good luck, all of you.